Hi guys! So we're back with another unboxing of YENA's smartphone. So her song was released yesterday. It's really cute and cheap. So we went to her showcase yesterday and we got the album. The signature is only intended for the press. So let's open the album. First, there's no box, but you just press it down and ta-da! So here's the book and some goodies. We'll look into these later. So first, looking inside the book, there are individual photos. So when we went to her showcase yesterday, she showed us two performances. One was the title song Smartphone, and the other one was with or without. Both of them were very cute. It really fits with the concept of Game Hero. So here are some more individual photos of her. So cute. She really looks good with the bangs. And she was really cute and positive. You can feel her positive energy. Okay. Oh, there are vertical pictures too. Pretty. So this book is filled with all of her. Well, she wore this outfit yesterday. It was really pretty. Okay, so here are the pictures of her. And then at the end, there's the credit as always. Okay, now let's look into the goodies. So she has this little box and let's open it. Ta-da! So here's the goodies. Let's look into it. So first we have the photo card, so cute. And there's the signature on the back. Here's another photo card of her. She looks like a cat, right? Oh, there's another one. Yeah, she's trying to make a heart like this. Okay. And then there's another photo card of her. Cute, closed up. Okay, and here's the sticker. Oh, you can stick them on your wall or something. Oh, and then this is the 4 cuts one. Nice, cute. Okay, and then last, this is the one that you can make it stand on the desk. Pretty, right? Okay, so this is it for the goodies inside. And then there's more. So I guess this is a poster. This is the vertical picture. So pretty, right? I like it. Okay, and then this one, I thought it was really cool. So you can make it stand on the desk like this. So in the front, it has her pictures. And in the back, it has information about each song. And it has lyrics as well. So pretty. So this is the title song, Smartphone. And then lastly, let's look at the CD. Ooh, so it has a red color with the gun in the middle with some hearts as well. Pretty, right? It fits with the concept of Game Hero. So this was it for the YENA's album of Smartphone. I hope you guys like the music and let's see you guys next time. Bye!